First tonight, a campaign promise moves closer to reality. This is Nightside. I'm Courtney Robinson. Tonight, President Donald Trump's proposal to remove cash taxes for tips passed in the Senate. It could bring a significant tax break to millions of people, including service workers right here in Tampa Bay. 10 Tampa Bay's Adure Achumba joins us live from St. Pete. And Adure, you spoke to some of those service workers tonight.
The new legislation, which unanimously passed the Senate, will allow tipped workers to deduct up to $25,000 a year in cash tips from their federal income taxes. Now, those workers have to earn under $160,000 a year, and in line with standard IRS requirements, they must report those tips to their employer. But for some folks, there's a little bit of confusion as to what exactly is exempt from the taxation.
Ask any server, bartender, we live off of tips. That's how we survive, that's how we pay our bills.
Local servers say it's not clear yet what the no tax on tips plan will look like from paycheck to paycheck.
Then that would mean 20 to 25% of my income that is not going to me would start going to me.
For many workers in service industries such as servers, nail techs, beauticians, and drivers, that's significant and can make a difference.
I could use it to pay more of my bills in this inflationary economy. I could use it to save more money. I could use it for, various reasons. I could use it to invest.
The current version covers cash tips, which means not only physical, but also tips through credit cards, debit cards, checks, and electronic payment methods. Around 90 to 95% of tips come through credit cards.
I like the direction of the bill. I like the direction of anything that can help fuel the economy, and specifically for people who work in these jobs.
Some say the policy could change consumer behavior.
This could motivate a lot of people who just throw that tip on their credit card. That's kind of what I'm hoping for. We'll see.
The bill also gives certain businesses a tax break to claim credits for payroll taxes paid on tips.
Cash is king, they say, right? Maybe people will tip cash more. People are awesome. They do, love to leave cash when they have it. Not a lot of people have cash on them these days.
And now the next step for the bill is the House of Representatives, and if it passes, President Trump will then sign it into law. But it is still not clear if the bill will move forward as a single item or if it will remain a part of the larger tax package now known as the Big Beautiful Bill. Live in St. Pete, Adure Achumba, 10 Tampa Bay.
And the no tax on tips plan is a part of the president's budget proposal, as Adure pointed out, one big, beautiful bill. You can find an in-depth look on spending increases and cuts in that bill right now on 10tampabay.com.